Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today, I'm going to talk about regular investing in the stock market. I just want to come on here to make this video. So the last couple of weeks, the stock market was somewhat acting like it was losing ground. However, we should not be making our investing decision on a weak result from the stock market. The goal is to be in the stock market for a long time, preferable 5 to 10 years at least, mainly because there are going to be ups and downs in the stock market, and we do not want to be influenced by those swings. Our investing goals has to be for the long haul, and that will be only way to be successful as an investor in the stock market. Also, it's always good to have your base in order besides investing in the stock market, which is be out of debt, have a fully funded emergency fund of preferable 3 to 6 months, and stay in line with your monthly budget. Having those in order will have you win with money in the long term. So just keep continue to dollar cost average into the stock market with a long-term investing time frame in mind. So far this year, the market is up, which is really good for all investors. Stay safe and be blessed. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.